Namaste everyone, and welcome to day 9 of our meditation challenge. In today's class, we are going to learn about the Anahat Chakra or the Heart Chakra. So let's get started with today's practice. Take a comfortable place on your mat. Come into the cross-legged position. You can also sit against a wall if you need some back support, or you can also sit up on a chair and keep your spine lengthened upright. So once you've taken a comfortable position, let's lengthen our spine from the base up. Gently roll your shoulder up and back. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra and place it at your knees. And whenever you feel ready, slowly and gently now, close your eyes. Feeling the silence and the quiet in your body. As your mind relaxes, your breath becomes even, and you feel the senses withdrawing inwards completely. Take your time to fully sink or melt into your mat. Your spine stays lengthened, but your attention is completely on your breath. We will stay like this in silence now for just a few moments before we make our way towards the Anahat Chakra. Let's move our attention towards the Anahat Chakra. This chakra is located at the chest, exactly where the sternum bone or the breastbone is. You feel that central portion of your chest, and you'll be able to feel the presence of the Anahat Chakra right there. So once you've become aware of the place of the Anahat Chakra, let's completely become aware of how it feels in our chest. And as you become aware of this space in your body, we're going to try and visualize it with the color green, which is associated with this chakra. So you visualize at the center of your chest a green light, and you just focus on that green energy vortex in your chest. And as the visualization becomes real and takes the form in your mind, we will assign the sound of yum to this chakra. And once we do that, we will focus on the emotions of love, empathy, connection, togetherness, and truly feeling love for every single living and non-living thing around us. No matter how different somebody or something is from us, we can still feel love for it and avoid judging it. So we create this emotion of love at the center of our hearts. And now we'll focus entirely on this chakra, the color green, and the sound yum. With every breath, we'll chant yum in our minds and continue to breathe in silence. And now, once you feel like you've been able to understand the workings of your Anahat Chakra, let us gently move towards the end of today's session. Remember, the Anahat Chakra allows you to feel the depth of emotion, of love, of sweetness, and it really enables you to come in contact with yourself and generate a deep love within you. And as you noticed, we stayed silent for a long period of time because the Anahat Chakra requires deep silence for an in-depth understanding. With that, let's gently close the Anahat Chakra portal. Close it, settle it down, thank it for revealing certain secrets to you, and then slowly and gently start to move away and bring your attention back into the present moment. As you slowly return, take your time and come back with 3 deep breaths. And now, let's move to the end of today's session. We will end the class by chanting 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Let's bring our hands into a Namaste at the chest. Sit up tall. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. And gently rub your palms together to generate some heat or friction. Place the palms on your eyelids for some warmth. Gently release and bring the palms in front of your chest. Open your eyes to look at the palms and then slowly come back with a smile on your face. Alright, so that was our meditation practice for today. I hope that you've been able to look into your Anahat Chakra and really connect with it. This is one space in our bodies that unlocks so much potential that we have as human beings, especially on an emotional and intellectual level. So if you're trying to be a better version of yourself, to yourself and to others, definitely concentrate upon this chakra as it's really helpful. And with my own story, I've personally been very attracted to and very moved by this chakra. So I can undoubtedly say that it's something you should definitely invest in. With that, we look forward to seeing you in the next session for day 10 already, and we'll see you in class tomorrow. Thank you for being with us, and namaste.